family company formed in 1968, SIP Industrial Products have grown to become one of the largest and most respected suppliers of a range of industrial equipment. The Medusa TI 1002 and 2002 digital inverter generators are the latest additions to the SIP range. Strong and durable with integrated LED indicators, these trade machines are available with 1 or 2 domestic 230 volt 3-pin UK power sockets. Both effortlessly power a range of lighting, power tools and other equipment. Plus include a 12 volt DC outlet, brilliant for battery charging. The SIP TI digital inverter generators are compact, lightweight and easily portable. They are also considerably quieter than conventional generators. Thanks to digital inverter technology, these machines deliver a reliable power source, which makes them perfect for safely charging and powering laptops, mobiles and other electronic devices whilst working on-site or camping in remote locations with no access to a mains power supply. Both SIP machines also boast an economy control switch to vary the engine speed according to the load. This results in a 30 to 40% lower fuel consumption rate compared to conventional generators, making them extremely fuel efficient and friendlier to the environment. The new TI digital inverter generators. Lightweight, portable, stable power from SIP.